Today, we will be painting this beautiful autumn scenery. Take a moment to check the description below to see the materials list. This tutorial is brought to you by Acrylic Arts Academy. We teach the world to paint. Like this video and subscribe to this channel for more fun painting content like this. If you would like more time to work on any portion of this painting, feel free to rewatch pieces of this video and pause where necessary. Start with your 10 by 12 canvas in the portrait position. Take out a few drops of cobalt blue, white, and mid-gray paints on the upper canvas portion and blend them with a wet flat brush to make a background sky. Blend these colors using a large flat brush and wide side-to-side brush strokes. Keep strokes horizontal for a smooth look while blending colors to create the background sky. Using the same colors and paintbrush method, add more paint to the lower canvas for painting the water. Blend these colors using a large flat brush and wide side-to-side brush strokes. Let these colors dry before moving on. After painting the background sky, use a flat brush to start making the horizon line with a brown shade. Make the land with brown and black while using a slicing motion with your flat brush in the wide position. With a flat brush, start making the trees. Use the method shown to make tree trunks first. Then use the corner of the brush to add thinner tree branches. Wet your brush and start adding tree reflection with a soft hand. Move your brush in the vertical direction. Use thin paint consistency for reflection. Take less color and more water while making shadows of any object on the water. Now take out red, orange, and yellow colors on the palette. Make a random choice of colors to make some colorful trees. Lightly tap the color on the canvas. Use the corners to create variations. Take darker shades of green and light green and make random small-sized trees to add more colors to the art piece. Start adding reflection in water and add more details to the trees. Add highlight with yellow and make more branches with brown and black. Add details in the land portion of fallen leaves by adding more yellow and orange. Do the same with water to add leaves and their reflection. At last, add white lines with thick paint to show water movement. Take your time to add any last details or watch any part of the video as needed. Great work! We hope you had fun painting this fall-themed acrylic painting. Subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Expand your painting skills by taking one of our free guided courses at acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses.